Didn't she say we could land anywhere on the island?
She said they had an arrangement with the Brownsea people, so yeah.
The map says landing prohibited.
After the sea trials at Hasler down at Kinetic, we really discovered that what we created, although was fantastic in terms of buoyancy, that we were underpowered. So what we need to do is basically take it out into the sea. So this is Brownsea Island here. Now Brownsea Island is just off the coast of Poole. It's in Poole Harbour. Sandbanks, there's a ferry here that goes across, and this is all studland and lovely beach around here. This is a fantastic island. I'm not quite sure how far this is around in a circle. That's a very good question. I'll come back to you on that. How far is it around the island? 10? No. 5 miles. Yeah, it's about 5 miles. So let's say a couple of miles, but the idea is that we're going to put the boat in the water here, we're going to get a support boat, and we're going to let it go, and we're going to use the autopilot using the Pixhawk, and we're going to test the propulsion as well, and we're going to send it around Brownsea Island.
Sudden movements, Gary. I don't want to go over the edge.
Yeah, don't go over the edge. No, we're doing 4 knots. That's the most we're allowed to do, so that's what we'll stick at. You know, she said the speed limit was 10. This only does 6. That looks like a sandy beach ahead. Shall we set up on the beach?
Does it give you the depth on that chart?
Yeah. 1.4.
So which one are you running first?
Well, should we run Nemo first then, because yours is out right, and then we'll go and get the other one.
And the black RC controller.
Yeah.
The big metal bar that's down there.
I was gonna.
No, that rams.
Oh, does it go in there? Okay. It's weird that you're seeing it. Sometimes it works straight away, doesn't it? And other times you've got to reset it again. Right, can I take this? Can I now do it up?
Yeah. Right. Someone timing this.
What? How fast is that? Is that full throttle?
That's the lowest setting.
Oh, right, okay.
You put it on full throttle!
What, for about 2 seconds?
Oh my God! Gary, that's smoke!
Surely that'll work again.
I said don't put it on full throttle.
It was literally like 2 seconds.
That's the rescue boat.
I can see the plastic melting.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's melted. It's come off the board. Someone sold it.
So where did that come from?
It was coming from this here. Yeah. Solder that back on maybe?
Yeah, good luck with that.
But yeah, that was... I mean, that's the thing, you weren't overstressing it, surely.
He did bump it up.
I bumped it up for like 2 seconds.
150 amps.
2 seconds, bang. Well, that's the thing, isn't it? I mean, it was obviously getting hot and hotter, but it just pushed it over the edge, didn't it?
Is it worth repairing that with the 30 amp ESC?
Why not? Right, let's do it. You know, like those vet programs when you put your hand up a cow's bum. It's a bit... So we've just got the 4 lead acid cells in here. Bit of a tight squeeze.
They're in parallel.
Yeah, they're running in parallel, yeah, so there we go. What we're going to do, first of all, this is the radio, so we're not going to do the autopilot, we're just going to check to see that we can get it running on the water directly from the radio. Is it that way or that way? I forget. Doesn't matter, does it?
Doesn't matter on this one, but we'll do it on that. Do it that way.
So do it that way. But that's all right like that, I mean, we can... Boat's out, it's going really well in the water, probably about 3 and a bit knots, I reckon. So now that we know that works, it's ballasted properly, we've got good speed, it's controlling nicely. You can see out in the water there that it's getting bashed about a bit in the swell, and it's behaving really good. It should be self-righting as well, which we'll test a bit later on. But yeah, really pleased. And now we're going to put the other radio unit in it, and we're going to set a course, and we're going to plot it to go around the island here at Brownsea, down at on the south coast here in the UK, and hopefully, with all being well, it will go round and follow the map and do a whole route around the island and back.
It's got a bit more beams on one, it's going to one side.
Oh, there's a boat coming.
It's really good.
What we got?
Got a wet leg now though.
You want to raft them together?
We can't go backwards.
Something.
Yeah, it's got his black one. That one. Oh, the white one. Before we bolt up, do some tests.
It's not.
Yeah, this is
That
not what
yeah.
to
mount
do.
is not terrible.
That's fine, we'll tape it. Yeah, we'll. Woo! Close. Go Dory. So 3 batteries. The other one we can get in far enough. What just gave it to you?
Telemetry. This arm.
Definitely a Finding Dory moment. Where's the first waypoint? Is that you again?
Well, that should be you.
That is not me. Oh! Did you hear that donk from here? Oh, well, okay, well.
It likes the beach, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Let me just get this back onto autopilot. It's still got a waypoint, that Beale. It's still got like a home for Beale. What's this line here? What's this orange line here?
Oh, that's where it's going.
Yeah. Why is it not going to the waypoint?
Can I have a look?
Yeah.
That's on auto, yeah?
Yeah.
Just put it onto the waypoints. We set it on a little course to go around part of the bay here at Brownsea, and it's hit the first waypoint and it's turned as it should, which is great. It's just up over here, go and catch it up. Okay, so we're close now, here it is. So I reckon she's doing about 3.5 knots. We'll see if we can go alongside her and match her speed. Yeah, that's another waypoint, just turn there. There you go, I think she did about 3.5 knots. So with any luck, she should go back to the other boat. It's good. She's a beautiful looking thing, isn't she? I'm really pleased with that.